Hello everyone! Are you burning your marketing budget on Facebook ads that get zero engagement? You launch a campaign, but the comment section looks like a ghost town in 2026. Cold ads don't sell. Social proof sells. Today, I am showing you the ultimate secret to generating instant engagement on your post ads automatically. First, you need your ad post ID from the Ads Manager. Once you have that, you simply plug it into our professional automation tool. Set your spin content to keep messages unique, and adjust the anti-detection delay to 60 seconds. Hit start, and watch your ad transform into a high-converting machine in real time. Now, let's talk about the massive benefits. The moment your ad goes live, you create a crowd effect. When potential customers see others asking for prices or leaving positive reviews, their trust levels skyrocket. This psychological trigger turns hesitant scrollers into active buyers instantly. Here is the Roy secret. Meta's algorithm rewards engagement. When our tool generates consistent interactions, Facebook recognizes your ad as high-quality content. This forces the algorithm to lower your CPM and CPC. You are literally getting more leads for much less money compared to your competitors. One of the biggest benefits is security while you sleep. Competitors often try to steal your leads or post negative spam in your comments. Our system automatically hides sensitive customer inquiries and wipes out spam, ensuring your comment section remains a professional, high-conversion zone 24/7. Finally, this is about freedom. This system allows you to scale 200s of ads simultaneously on autopilot. Stop being a manual moderator and start being a business owner. Ready to dominate the global market? Contact our expert team at @𝐓𝐞𝐥𝐞𝐈𝐍𝐄 or WhatsApp 8 for 376-1191-6. Let's scale your empire together.